What is food fraud? Food fraud is the intentional addition of material that shouldn't be in a product or the removal of material that should be in a product for economic gain. Up to 10% of the food supply in the U.S. contains fraudulent ingredients. Steps to combat food fraud. Number 1, map your supply chain. Where do your ingredients come from? Number 2, conduct the vulnerability assessment. Identify impacts. If there is a substitution, what's the consequence going to be? What are the risks? If it is substituted, how can you tell and what's the frequency? Number 3, prioritize those findings based on the greatest risk. Number 4, create a mitigation plan. What can we do about it? Number 5, implement and track. Communicate the annual review with the consumer, stakeholders, and supply chain. Dilution or substitution. One common form of food fraud is dilution or substitution. Olive oil is a perfect example. If you're buying a bottle labeled extra virgin olive oil, but really inside the bottle is a lower grade that's diluted with cheaper oils. Products commonly tested for authenticity include spices, oils, honey, juices, and seafood. Artificial enhancement. An example of artificial enhancement would be adding dyes to paprika to make it more appealing to consumers. The use of undeclared or unapproved biocides. Using chloramphenicol, which is a banned antibiotic in shrimp, and not declaring it. Removal of authentic constituents. Paprika oil resin. Someone could extract the valuable parts of the oil resin and leave you with a substandard spice. Misrepresentation of nutritional value or fraudulent labeling claims. If you're getting something labeled organic at the store, is it really organic? Formulation of a fraudulent product. A product that is actually not at all how it's advertised. Beware of products or ingredients that seem too good to be true. Counterfeit and theft saturate gray markets. To maintain supply, some suppliers may try to substitute normal orders with fake or stolen goods. Some ingredients, like spices, have entire black markets. In summary, authenticity concerns are not new, but food fraud is a new set of criteria within food safety certification standards. Manufacturers are responsible for understanding the risks within their supply chain on any and all substitution concerns for raw materials. Mapping your supply chain and a regular authenticity testing are a good place to start. There will be a learning curve for all food manufacturers and suppliers as this becomes more mainstream.